McDonald's unveils Sangre Meal and McFloats inspired by Encantadia. McDonald's Philippines is bringing the magic of Encantadia Chronicles, Sangre, to the table with its newest limited edition offering, the Sangre Meals and Sangre McFloats, now available nationwide. Fans can now toast their favorite Sangres Flamara, Dea, Adamus, and Terra with four refreshingly unique McFloat flavors, each one inspired by the characters' powers and personalities. From Flamara's raspberry flavor, fruity tang, to Dea's cotton candy flavor, sweet charm, Adamus green apple flavor, cool refreshment, and Terra's dalandan flavor, citrus twist. Every Sangre McFloat is topped with McDonald's signature creamy vanilla soft serve, turning every sip into a magical treat. Adding to the excitement, each Sangre meal comes with one-piece chicken McDo and a random limited edition Sangre photo card, a must-have for fans and collectors alike. The Sangre McFloats and Sangre meals are available via dine-in, take-out, drive-thru, and McDelivery, letting fans enjoy fandom and flavor in every bite and sip. Thank you for watching!